'Twas the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a stomach was churning. Not even a house. Doesn't make any sense at all. Stockings were hung by the chimney with care. But Davy got fat and Simon's not here. You know what? I do like the hairy bakers, as you know. But this isn't one of their recipes. This is something I found online. And as it's Christmas, what does everybody love to hate? And some people love to love? Sprouts! So what we're going to do this year, Sprout Blue Cheese Soufflé! Let's see how it goes. Merry bloody Christmas. We're cooking on location today in Neil's kitchen. So I prefer to put these down, like face down, so you get the caramelised bottoms. But you have to show me how on earth to use your cooker. I've seen something like this before in the sci-fi film. The little elf hanging out in the corner playing in the floor. Where's the flower? It's behind you. There's Panto season after all. He's running away now. Santa's got elves, yay!
For we all like figgy pudding, for we all like figgy pudding, so bring it out here.
And drink it from the can. Nanny State is actually really nice. Check it out for anybody who's not on the booze this Christmas. I've not been on it for about 3 months, but on Christmas Day I will be getting plastered. Oh, Nanny burnt me flour. Right, I need that milk now.
We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some, so bring some.
I like these little balloon whisks, they're quite effective for... So you don't want your lumps, you see. Neil, sorry, we'll probably do a link to the video, The Ballad of the Gubbio Men, which you can probably hear playing in the background right now. Baby cheeses, as it is Christmas, baby cheeses. Oh no, it's terrible. Crack it on the side of the bowl. Hope for the best. Stick it in your fingers. Make sure you've washed your hands. This is important for any millennials out there. Yeah, I believe that this is recycling is a very important thing, including composting. And this is the countryside after all, so composting is very, very, very important. Apparently, according to the recipe, we have to beat the egg yolks until thick and lemony. How egg yolks are lemony, I do not know, because they're eggs and they don't have lemons in them.
It's a lemony.
It's a lemony sort of colour, isn't it? So it needs a bit more. Just go a bit crazy with them. These are your egg whites. And if you've got a whisk or a beater, then it'll be a lot easier than doing it by hand. But this way you get to burn calories at the same time. Don't worry, you'll put them all back on with the first mouthful of the souffle. If you haven't seen Mouthful of Stew before, this is the guy who makes it all happen. I'm just the daft get in front of the camera. This is the clever man behind the camera who does all the editing and puts all the music into it. So yeah, if you haven't met Neil before, this is Neil, the other half of Mouthful of Stew. And as it's Christmas, we went to the Pigs Ear Beer Festival where I brought my 3 months sobriety and had a couple of nice pints, and we saw this and we thought of you. So from Richard and myself, Merry Christmas, Neil. Thank you for stirring my egg. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to the Bahamas. What is it?
Oh wow. I've just read that bit.
It's Dr. Pooh!
Oh wow! Yeah, that is great.
It's you, isn't it? Sorry, yeah. So you've got Doctor Who and Winnie the Pooh.
For all of you who are good and proper and hate silly sweeteners in drinks and the stupid sugar tax that's rubbish, import Tisserie, or however that's spelt, from France. It's made with sugar.
www.cateringsunion.co.uk. There's a little link there. Isn't there, Neil? Yes, there is. He's nodding his head. This could go terribly wrong. It works again. Down on the banks again. Could be interesting just before the Christmas dinner as a starter. Is sprouts. More sprouts! Hooray! When I was a lad, all I got for Christmas was a Spectrum 48K. I wasn't happy then. I'm not happy now. Happy Christmas. That's brilliant, that. Should we do it one more time? Ballad of the Bird. This is the ballad of the grumpy old man. Down is snowing and it's 10:10. Sprout 40 is on Christmas Eve. 10 pairs of socks and down on the pants again. That was brilliant! Oh yes! Good. You like? Could have done with more cheese, I think, actually. But all in all, I would say it's a winner. So, and nice to see you. And if you want to see more videos, click the like button, subscribe. Hopefully we'll be back in 2019 and we'll be doing more. If you want us to do anything, we haven't done any baking, I don't think yet, have we?
Nope.
This is kind of baking. We haven't made any cakes. So yeah, have a good Christmas, look after each other, and I hope you get everything your heart desires. Merry Christmas from Stu and Neil. Turn the camera around.
Merry Christmas!
Bye! What I'd like for Christmas is a new hairline, please. But I'm not doing this for Trump. I'm doing it for the Trumps. Sprout farting, is it? What happens if you swallow Christmas decorations? You get tinselitis.